whether you like it or not. Just like something so needed, something so missing, something so important, like if you were so sick. And you will be fine. What else to do if from where are all these things? Woo, 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 where all the stairs we will take you and you don't know, and that's the reason that you faked nothing and nothing will happen, nothing at all. You have to know what is going to happen and what is being happened to put the remedy in a reason. You will find what to do next. Ooh, 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 ooh. Then you feel so sick and you don't know what was the reason. And if you know what it was happening, then you put the remedy. Just like remedy in those worst times, so having cold and fever, and then you will do what you're supposed to do. For once in a